Hey guys, how's it going? How to apply for voter ID in non-ID states. So first of all, confirm your eligibility to vote, including age and residency requirements. Go to your state's election office website or specific instructions. For specific instructions on how to register to vote, complete the online or paper voter registration form. Some states may not require ID to register, while others may have different rules. Enter required personal information such as your name, address, and date of birth. Send in your application by the deadline as specified by your state. Check the status of your registration to ensure it has been processed. And if you're registered and do not need an ID to vote on election day, you can proceed to cast your ballot. Remember to check your specific state's rules, as requirements can vary. So let's know in the comments of this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.